Athabasca University offers science courses in various lab options. Many courses utilize home labs where students conduct experiments with provided kits or readily available materials. Athabasca University ships home lab kits across Canada and some internationally.
We are actually doing an extraction of DNA from very simple ingredients, basically from fruit, from banana or from strawberries. That's part of the fun of the take-home labs. You can do very interesting science with very simple means.
It was an exciting experience to wait for something in the mail and then open it up and be able to start doing a lab at home, taking pictures, taking measurements. It was a really fun experience.
I have 3 kids, so they were able to do the labs with me, and it's been nice having them kind of see me going back to school and getting a little bit more interactive with that.
Athabasca University does not charge students for the home lab kits. This gives students the same hands-on experience as an in-person lab, but with more flexibility and time.
The benefits of the at-home lab is just, being able to apply what you're learning from what you're reading online into more of that hands-on. And then what it does is I find it just deepens that connection that you make between what you're reading and what you're doing.
So Athabasca has really opened a door for me with my educational journey. Before I found Athabasca, I didn't think university was possible for me. I can't thank AU enough.